Hello girls, hello guys, welcome back to another video which is going to be a makeup tutorial. We have lots of trends of 2021 and 2020 in this makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy them all. But before we get started, don't forget to share this video with your friends if you like it, and give me your thoughts and opinion on the makeup we're going to do in the comments. Also subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows, but through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane. I feel we got so far in the game, now everything's
No need to say, what I'm using is a moisturizer. And the basic part of our makeup, the foundation. Alright, so this is our first trend, light foundation, because you know the natural makeup and light makeups are a new trend. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of contour and concealer. Now, right after using the concealer, we have to set it with a setting powder or pancake, whatever you want. Alright, the second trend of this year are lifted eyebrows, but you know I don't like it, so I'm not gonna do it. But just know it, lifted eyebrows are the trend. But I just want to a little bit brush it, and we're gonna be done by the eyebrows, and then we go for the eyes. The way we brush our eyebrows is really important, so I'm gonna show you. First of all, brush into the down. Like this. And now you can use the color that suits your eyebrow on the eyebrow eyeshadows and fill the places you want, like like this. Okay, now you have to brush into that. Another trend of our eyebrows. I feel like I'm using a lot of trend, by the way. So another trend for our eyebrows is to be natural. So it's just a suggestion, but please don't fill these parts. I mean, fill them, but not a lot, because that make it unnatural and fake. So these parts and the middle parts is better to be filled. Honestly, I don't have a certain plan for the eyes, but I just want to do it and let's see if we like it or we don't. So the first trend of the eyes is about the eyeliner. As you know, the colorful eyeliners are so trend these years, not even in 2021 or 2020. So I'm gonna use a yellow eyeliner like this, and I have an idea, but I'm not sure if it's good. Like, we can connect the eyebrows in here. See, like this. I'm not sure if it's good. If it's not, we're gonna remove it, don't worry. And then I plan to draw some little flowers in here. Okay, I don't like yellow. I've changed my mind. I use orange. Let's see if it's good. Okay, I like it more. Okay, so it's a risky thing, but I want to do the idea I told you. And I want to draw it under my eyes and this part. God bless us. Okay, I think it's getting too dark here, so probably I'm gonna turn on this light. Is it better? Okay, so I just remembered the other trend of this year is colorful eyelashes. So I'm gonna paint these eyelashes yellow. You might think I'm crazy, but I like it. And you know, it's something different and I like different things, so it's worth to try it. And I wanted to let it be. So let's do the flowers. I know I told you it's gonna be a light makeup, which is not right now. So I like to use some white and yellow glitters for different parts. Doesn't matter, I just want to use them. So you can do it or you just can leave it like this. You can die for this palette. See? It's lovely. Now it's time for my favorite mascara. That's why I say this is my favorite mascara. Look at it. Alright, so one trick for mascara. If you want your eyes to be lifted, it's better not to use mascara for these eyelashes, just for the middle eyelashes. But I don't care right now, so I did it for all parts of my eyelashes. Let's go and do other things like blush and lipstick. I use pink blush for all over my cheeks and nose. You know, the trend for blush for this year is to use it for your nose and this part of your cheeks. You know, the cute makeups are so trend this year. Use them a lot and they're nice. I myself am so crazy about frickless, but I don't have, so I have to use fake ones. And you know, these years they're so popular, so lots of famous brands are producing these cosmetics like frick pens. But I want to use a contour, so if you don't have these pens, you can just use a contour, it's easy. But if you have frickless, you're a lucky person. Okay, you need a tiny brush like this and a dark contour. Actually, the color of your contour depends on your skin color, but I prefer dark ones. You know, they're usually on your nose and these parts, so it's not a hard thing. Alright, so you put them like this, and then with your finger, you paste them to other places. Even for frick pens, you do the same thing. Although highlighting is trend, I'm running on your nerves with this word. Okay, so, but I don't want to use a lot of highlighter, just these parts. But these days, people use a lot of them in above their eyebrows, here, cheeks, everywhere. But I just want to use them on my cheekbones. You know, any shape of lips are beautiful, of course, but if you want to make them look bigger, you can use concealer, contour, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it in some steps. So for the lipstick, I use two nude colors, and one of them should be lighter than the other one. The light one I use for this part, and the dark one for this. Alright, so I turn off the light so we can see my blush and lipstick better. And if you go to the beginning of this video, you can see that my lips were smaller. And with this trick, you can make everybody think that your lips are bigger than what they actually is. So, but also you can use some highlighter for this part, and it can be helpful. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this was our trend makeup video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and learned something new. So if you like our video or our channel, please go and subscribe to it and turn the notifications on so you can be aware of the latest video that we post. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and share it as much as you can. And tell me your opinions on this makeup and this channel in the comments. I love to read them all. And that's it. I hope you like it and have a nice, I think, night right now. Okay, goodbye. Oh no, wait. Let me turn it off again so you can see in other way. I didn't understand which one you wanted, lights off or lights on. So you can tell me that too in the comments. So goodbye.